So, you've heard the buzz about weed lube. But in case you're not sure how to use these cannabis arousal oils, we're going to show you how to get your lady parts high with the help of this suggestive and very attractive prop. Weed lubes are great to use with a partner, but try it solo your first time so you know how your own unique and lovely body reacts. You can spritz directly, which may be challenging, or you can apply manually. Gently massage the activating oils on your clitoris, inner labia, and vaginal opening. Make sure you apply internally too. You should feel the effects in as little as 15 minutes. Don't worry, you won't get high using weed lubes. Their effects stay local, enhancing arousal, wetness, and access to orgasm, while soothing any discomfort. Weed lube with THC is available at dispensaries in California and Colorado, and the CBD version ships worldwide. Enjoy the power of plants in the bedroom.